Maybe it freezes. Maybe it lags. Or worse, it dies. That moment is gone forever, slipping through your fingers like sand. Frustrating? Absolutely. Every content creator knows that feeling, the one where everything is perfect. Except your gear. And let's be honest, those once-in-a-lifetime moments don't wait for anyone. Missed shots don't come back. Now imagine a camera that can keep up with every heartbeat, every rush, every extreme adventure you throw at it. A camera designed not just to record action, but to redefine what's possible in adventure filmmaking. That camera exists. It's the DJI Osmo Action 6, and it's rewriting the rules of content creation. By the end of this video, you'll understand why thousands of creators are upgrading, leaving their old cameras behind and embracing this absolute powerhouse. Let's set the scene. You're racing down a jagged mountain trail at 40 mph on your bike. Rocks are flying past. Your heart is in your throat. The wind's trying to steal your focus. Or maybe you're diving deep into the ocean, surrounded by colors, coral reefs, and marine life you've never seen before. Or perhaps you're standing in a desert, filming in scorching heat, sand whipping against your skin. Most cameras would fail in these scenarios, but the Osmo Action 6 thrives in them. DJI didn't just make a camera, they engineered a durability beast that laughs at extreme conditions that would destroy ordinary devices. Extreme durability meets adventure-ready performance. This isn't just tough, this is military-grade ruggedness. Freezing cold that would kill a phone? No problem. Crushing underwater pressure? Bring it on. Scorching desert heat that melts electronics? The Osmo Action 6 shrugs and keeps filming. Other cameras freeze, glitch, or fail, but this one just keeps going. Finally, a camera as fearless as you are, Hollywood-level stabilization. Anywhere specs, megapixels, and fancy modes are nice, but here's the truth. Stabilization is everything. DJI's rock-steady technology ensures every jump, sprint, or dive comes out buttery smooth, like a professional Hollywood film crew is following you. Even when your adventure gets extreme, your footage will look cinematic, polished, and ready to wow your audience. Dual touchscreens. Complete creative control filming solo can be tricky. You're always guessing if you're in frame or if your angles look good. With the Osmo Action 6, you get dual touchscreens, including a front-facing screen that lets you see exactly what's being recorded. You have director-level control while filming yourself, no guesswork, no missed shots. Every vlog, every tutorial, every adventure is perfectly framed effortlessly. Battery life. That keeps up with you. Action creators know the struggle. Mid-adventure, the camera dies and all that epic footage is gone. The Osmo Action 6 eliminates this problem with an intelligent power management system. It learns your filming habits and optimizes power usage, giving you hours of continuous shooting while other cameras tap out after 45 minutes. Long hikes, full-day adventures, epic sports sessions, this camera stays with you the entire time. Low-light performance that defies physics filming at dusk. Dawn or underwater often results in grainy, blurry shots with ordinary cameras. Not here. DJI's advanced sensor technology captures cinema-quality footage in extreme low light, rivaling DSLR cameras that cost 5x more. Imagine capturing breathtaking sunsets, neon city streets at night, or underwater wonders, and your footage still looks professional and stunning. Your audience will think you've brought a full film crew along when all you had was a pocket-sized camera. Professional-grade color. Straight out of the camera color grading used to take hours of post-production. Not anymore. The Osmo Action 6's advanced color science gives you perfectly balanced footage straight out of the camera. Want a cinematic, flat D-Log-M profile for Hollywood-style color grading later? You've got it. Prefer vibrant, ready-to-upload content? The standard profile delivers it instantly. Hours of tedious editing are gone. Your camera does the work for you. Magnetic mounting system. Lightning-fast setup switching mounts mid-action has never been easier. Helmet, chest, or bike? Change them in 1 second. No screws, no tools, no complicated gear. This means you never miss the shot, even when your adventure moves fast. The magnetic system makes extreme filming feel effortless. Hands-free voice control mid-jump, mid-dive. Gripping a motorcycle handlebar at top speed? Just say start recording, and the Osmo Action 6 starts filming. Hands-free control lets you focus on the action while the camera captures every breathtaking moment. It's truly a game-changer for vloggers and adventurers alike. Professional capabilities at an insane price. Filmmaking at this quality used to require a massive budget. Not anymore. The Osmo Action 6 delivers cinematic stabilization, pro-level low-light performance, and advanced color science, all at a fraction of the cost of traditional setups. It's like buying a Ferrari for the price of a Honda, unbelievable but real. The companion app turns your phone into a professional editing suite, AI-powered editing, auto highlight reels, and one-touch sharing to every platform make creating viral content effortless. You can shoot, edit, and upload without ever opening a computer. Your workflow is now efficient, fast, and professional. Waterproof, weatherproof, adventure-proof rain, snow, mud, or diving down 60 ft underwater. The Osmo Action 6 can handle it all. Marine biologists even use it for research thanks to its crystal-clear underwater image quality. No adventure is too extreme, no location too harsh. Modular design, expandable creativity. Start with the basic camera, then add external mics for crisp audio, macro lenses for insane close-ups, and more. Every accessory expands your creative possibilities. The Osmo Action 6 grows with your skills, perfect for beginners and professionals alike. Better than GoPro? Blind tests show filmmakers consistently pick Osmo Action 6 over the latest GoPro. Why? Superior image quality, smoother stabilization, accurate color, and a nearly non-existent learning curve. Beginners can start instantly, pros can push it to its limits. All-in-one versatility vlog, action, underwater, backup professional camera. It replaces multiple devices in one compact package. Reliability is unmatched and it performs flawlessly in the most extreme scenarios. Future-proof updates. Regular firmware upgrades enhance features, improve performance, and expand functionality over time. Your camera literally gets smarter as you use it. Limitless creative possibilities. Time-lapse, hyperlapse, ultra-slow motion, and modes you've only dreamed of, all open new ways to tell your story. Set your content apart from the millions of videos online. Join the movement. The Osmo Action 6 isn't just a camera, it's a movement. Thousands of creators are redefining adventure filmmaking. Stop settling for mediocre footage. Stop missing those once-in-a-lifetime moments. Your audience deserves better, and so do you. The choice is simple. Keep using your old camera and wonder why your content isn't popping. Or join the thousands of creators who turn ordinary moments into extraordinary content with the Osmo Action 6. The DJI Osmo Action 6 isn't just the best action camera, it's the only camera that truly makes sense for serious content creators. Don't let another sunset, another adventure, or another epic moment slip away. The time to capture your best content is now. Blind tests show filmmakers consistently pick Osmo Action 6 over the latest GoPro. Why? Superior image quality, smoother stabilization, accurate color, and a nearly non-existent learning curve. Beginners can start instantly, pros can push it to its limits.